Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Tuesday, September the 17th, 2019, and the time is 3:45 a.m. GMT. So today we are going to be updating the chart of the Bitcoin. This is a 1 hour chart. All right, this is a 1 hour chart, and we're looking for the Bitcoin here to see another leg higher. Okay, you can see this rally from 9,862. This rally looks like an impulse here, looks like a 5 waves, right? So unless this 5 waves is a wave C of a flat, maybe from here A, B, C, unless that is a flat, a running flat of some sort, or a flat from here, then that suggests that we can see at least another 5 ways up, because we do have a 5 ways up, right? So the only way we don't have a 5 ways up again is we have a flat. Maybe this 5 waves is part of a flat from here, let's say A, B, C, something like that. Then yes, we can start turning lower. But until then, I mean, if that's not the case, then we should be looking for at least short-term strength here, some sort of ABC at minimum. Okay, and that can bring Bitcoin to the equal leg target of the C, okay, which can go to around $10,672, and between 10,672 and 10,816, and then from there we can start to turn lower again. Okay, so shorter cycle is the one that we are sort of focusing on here, in that we have a 5 ways up from here. So therefore at the least we can get an ABC towards 10,672 more or less. Okay, and if this becomes an impulse then of course it can even go higher than that. It can eventually even break above 10,952 if it is an impulse, but that's not really what we are concerned about. What we are concerned about is the idea that it looks like we can have another leg higher to finish this the first leg as a 5 wave. So therefore we're looking for another 5 ways up. Now in the larger degree, this Bitcoin is still sideways for now, guys. Right, the larger degree is still completely sideways. This is the daily chart. Okay, and I was this is not really confirmed, guys, because for this to be confirmed we need to have the break below this W. Right, so we did an update on this pattern and this structure a long while ago. You can look at the history if you want, but since then basically I can only say Bitcoin is sideways. This is what the definition of sideways, completely sideways. Now the only thing that I can mention on this structure here, guys, on the daily, is this: you definitely have only a 3 ways down from the peak here. So this is in no way is bearish, because it's only a 3 ways correction. So this is in no way bearish at all. It is not bearish. That's number one. So number two, you got a 3 ways down, and then you got a 3 ways up, right? The correction. And then the only question here is, are we going to do another 3 ways down? In this structure here is called a double zigzag, WXY. You got a zigzag here, potentially you got another zigzag. But this double zigzag structure here, this is only going to be confirmed or get validation only if we break below this W in black. Right, only after we break below 9,051, then this double zigzag structure is going to be confirmed, and then we're gonna go lower to this target 7,500, where people who like to buy Bitcoin, they can buy here if we can go here, of course. Now it's not yet confirmed because we have not broken below W, and we are kind of trapped right now in a sideways consolidation here. Right, now does it have to happen? Not really, right? It doesn't have to happen. We can actually do many different things. We can continue to be sideways. We can even break above this high 10,952, and then still going to be sideways overall. Doesn't really change the fact that we are still sideways. So we have to break out of this range before we know the intention of the this cryptocurrency, right? And for now, we are still continue to be trapped on the sideways consolidation. And the reason that this is a possibility here is this move here. It all depends on what do you think about this move. So if you think this move is an impulse of 5 waves, then there is a possibility of another 5 waves down because it's an impulse from here. So that's why this also makes sense, right? If we do have a 5 waves down from here, then that can potentially break below W and then confirm the double zigzag. But if this is not an impulse, then there is no reason for you to expect another leg lower because we already have 3 waves down. So that could be it. That could be your entire correction, and then Bitcoin, if that's the case, ready to go higher, right? If that's the case, then Bitcoin ready to go higher. But for as of now, we got a 3 waves down, 3 waves up, and then this one looks like an impulse. So that's why this cannot be ruled out for now, okay, in the Bitcoin. But again, it's not really confirmed until we really break below W. Another possibility is this is like a triangle consolidation, right? There's another possibility is like a bigger triangle consolidation here. So it's going to be consolidating for a while, several more weeks or months, okay, before we break out of the range here. Okay, guys, so that's in the larger degree. We got to have some sort of confirmation before we know the intention, but overall it is bullish overall. And why would I say that overall bullish? Because we only have a 3 waves pullback from the peak, so it's not bearish in any way or form. Even if it drops to 7,500, it doesn't mean it is bearish. I know it's 30% drop, but overall you just have to understand this is only 3 waves pullback, so it's not really bearish. Now the 1 hour though, which is what we are concerned about, is the idea that we got what looks like a 5 waves up from here, so we can at least get another 5 waves up here to reach equality here, and it can go to around 10,700 like we talked about earlier. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Also try our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video below. See you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.